my favorites is what I call a breakfast salad. Let's start off by chopping up some of our vegetables, okay? All I've done is I've removed the seeds and taken out that white pith or rib of the peppers. Now, I'm just going to slice them long. Peppers are done. I'm going to start by chopping cherry tomatoes. Beautiful, look at that. Now, English cucumber. Let's get on to the salad greens. I've got regular lettuce. I'm just going to take the ends off. Very simple. Then these, very gently break them in half. So we're going to start plating up. I really love fresh herbs in a salad just to kind of give us a little extra flavor. A little bit of basil. Literally takes you 3 to 4 minutes. Now, let's get that protein and some of that carbohydrate onto that plate. What I have here are some chicken sausages. If you're vegetarian, simply omit the sausage, all right? I'm just gonna slice at an angle. You can do them any which way you like. You wanna leave them whole, feel free, okay? It's your breakfast. Have it whichever way you like. Now, some carbs. Baby potatoes. I've got some fresh red chilli. I'm just de-seeding it. Now you can use regular refined oil if you like, but frankly, it's a salad, so I'm going to use some beautiful extra virgin olive oil to fry my eggs. Okay, a little bit into this pan as well. Sausages. In the same pan, our beautiful blanched baby potatoes. A little bit of salt, crack of pepper. Now while our sausages and potatoes are frying away, let's fry up our eggs. So again, crack of pepper. Beautiful. A little bit of salt. Nice caramelized crust. Bit of browning on those sausages. Oh, lovely. Add our finely chopped red chilli to our potato and sausage. Veggies are ready. Dressing is done. What are we waiting for? Okay, let's plate up this salad and then dig in. My breakfast salad is done. Looks absolutely fantastic.